What's up guys, welcome to Dogs React. I'm Wonder Woman and today I'm going to be playing with the dogs at the park. Alright Chief, do you think that's enough playing today? Are you ready to go to Starbucks and get some puppuccinos? Because I am. You better go, gentlemen. Come on. Come on, Bear. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Daisy? Alright. Come on, Daisy. Good girl. Come on, Nike. Come on, Nike. Chief? I don't think I can pick you up, Chief. Come on. Can I get 4 puppuccinos?
4?
Yes.
Sure, anything else?
That's it.
Awesome, I'll have it ready for you at the window.
Thank you. All right, everybody eats today. This one's for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button and we'll see you in the next video.